crazy is that even after last week's debacle of me stressing out whether or not I was going to get the video out on time because I procrastinated editing until the last minute, I'm still editing last minute. First of all, this is what I get for taking a last-minute babysitting job on a Thursday night and therefore leaving me no time to edit that night. And also for not spending my afternoon before classes editing. I will never learn. Happy Saturday, everyone. Like late in the day, I've already had lunch. I had dragon hot, which was good. And I had to do some crochet work for the Pesto plush because I found out that Pesto is getting his adult feathers already. He's getting them. It's like going from the bottom up. So I have time, but not that much time. So I spent the morning dyeing what I've crocheted, and I have to wait for it to dry before I can figure out if I need to dye it some more because I don't know if it's brown enough. It's like dark enough, but it's not brown enough, if you know what I mean. But I have to figure that out. But in the meantime, using some leftover avocado that I bought like last week, I blended it up with some condensed milk, and I made myself a dessert. If you guys didn't know that avocado could be a dessert, it tastes great. I mean, it's basically just like avocado plus dairy plus sugar, right? How could it not taste good? It's basically like an avocado smoothie. And if you're the type of person who thinks that avocados can only be on savory dishes, you're wrong. I've been eating this blended avocado dessert since I was a child, okay? Classic South, it's like, I can't remember where exactly it originated, but I grew up in Indonesia, and this is a very common dessert if your parents bought avocados. And if you can put avocados in a smoothie and then pour a shot of coffee and then put chocolate ice cream on it, and that's great. Avocados can be in anything, which, by the way, I also recommend avocado coffee. It tastes amazing if you get it in the right place. And also chocolate sprinkles. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna eat that while watching some Netflix. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I am crocheting again. The ugly fox that I was commissioned to do by a friend of mine. I've just got some Veronica Makr yarn in orange. It's called Scarlet Ibis though. And I've got 2 skeins of this, and I have a body to make, 2 arms, a head, ears, and what makes it ugly is not only like I'm gonna give it like a really scruffy face, but also that its legs are ridiculously, hilariously long. So, yeah, look forward to that. By the way, I wanted to show off my shirt. I got this at, it's a small business. It says your anxiety is a lying hair. But yeah, I might have to bleep that actually. Or at least censor it, but yeah. I love this shirt. I don't wear it very often because obviously I don't know if this is an acceptable shirt to wear outside, especially given that I work with children. I don't want to wear these clothes and be recognized by a parent or something. So yeah, it's mostly an at-home shirt. Hello, and welcome back to another thing of clip of what I'm eating today. Tonight's dinner is pizza. My brother has the other half. But yeah. It is 9 p.m. now. I got home from work like a couple hours ago, had dinner, and now I am having the dessert that I made this afternoon. Oh, this lighting's really bad. There we go. I bought some vanilla ice cream to go with it. I gave half to a friend of mine, just because. So, yeah. I have like this and one more slice left for me, and one more slice for my brother, so.
This is because adjectives love us.
Hello, I came back from the aquarium and from getting something my brother asked me to get from DAISO while I was outside. But as you can see, I put Pesto back in my room. Might sell him on my socials, probably just on my Instagram, see if anyone wants him, because I'm not really the type to like collect stuffed animals, just because it collects dust and I'm allergic to dust mites, so it's not great. Unless I'm willing to wash him like 1,000 times in my lifetime. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try and sell him to someone who will take better care of him and appreciate it more. That being said, I am taking a break. I got home and I'm taking a little bit of break because I've been out for most of the afternoon. But I have to go out again to any nearby park and get some eucalyptus leaves because I don't think I've shown them before on my channel, but I have stick insects. They're spinies and I need to replenish their foods. Yeah, they're like coming to the end of their lifespan soon. It's been almost about a year since I've gotten them, and they don't live very long. But I've got a ton of their eggs, which depending on how well I control the temperature and humidity, could take the eggs about a year or two to hatch. But until then, you know, yeah, my first pet's lifespan is about to come to an end, which is a bit sad, but, you know, with raising stick insects, that's kind of something I expected. It was one of the things that made me more open to getting some, because I am here on a visa and not a residency, so I couldn't guarantee whether or not I'd be in the country to take care of any pets for an extended period of time. However, since the stick insects only live for about a year, give or take, it was more achievable, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of a break, get back outside. I'm glad the weather's nice today. I'm also getting my steps in. It is 11 p.m. on a Thursday night. Basically, it's the end of this week, and I am in the middle of editing the video. I've gotten most of the work done already. So I've learned from the last 2 weeks' mistake. No more last minute editing. But yeah, I've gotten so far like 65% of the editing done, like the bulk of it. And now all I gotta do is do the rest tomorrow after class or before class, depending on when I have time. I might do it in the morning if I have the time. I have Pilates tomorrow morning, so I have to wake up early. But yeah, I think it's been a productive week. I feel like I didn't film as much as I normally do, but I think that's because my past videos have been way longer. Okay, they've been getting shorter, but I think it's just because I've gotten better at noting when I should and shouldn't start yapping. Now that I know better, I'm yapping a lot less, which means the content of the videos are way shorter. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But yeah, I'm editing. It's 11 p.m. so I need to sleep because tomorrow I have to wake up early for my Pilates class. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's slightly different from my last 3, but I hope you enjoyed it. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.